definitely.
I would love that.
Yeah, definitely.
Of course.
Yeah, definitely.
Of course.
California community colleges are rolling out a new program to help simplify and support your higher education journey. It's called Common Course Numbering. So whether you're enrolled in a class at a campus in Northern California or down in sunny SoCal, most course numbers will be the same. This can help you in planning your academic path and could prevent you from losing credits by duplicating classes along the way. If you plan to transfer, you can easily take your credits to your next community college, which can help you complete your program faster. And if your goal is to transfer to a four-year university, commonly numbered courses can help you save time and money while supporting a smoother path to earning your bachelor's degree. Ready to unlock your potential? Get started at icangotocollege.com.